Good morning students. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 9th, chapter number 2, Introduction to Java, and today we will discuss the Java compilation process and the features of Java. As we have discussed yesterday the different type of languages and the traditional compilation process, so today we will discuss the Java compilation process that is different from the traditional compilation process. Like in traditional compilation process, the source code is translated into the object code, but in the Java compilation process, as we know that the Java is both compiled and interpreted language, so in Java compilation process, the source code that our high-level programming language is converted into bytecode. That is intermediate code by the compiler, and then bytecode is interpreted, means translated into the object code with the help of Java virtual machine. So in the Java compilation process, we use compiler also and interpreter also. Compiler firstly generate the bytecode, and with the help of Java virtual machine, the bytecode is converted into object code. So what is bytecode? Bytecode is an intermediate code for the Java virtual machine. Now, when we are converting our program into our language into the bytecode, we will need one more term, more processor, that is just-in-time compiler. That is JIT. This compiler convert the selected portion of the bytecode into an executable code. Means one by one it translate our program into the bytecode. Now we will understand the Java compilation process with the help of this diagram. As we know that in the traditional compilation process, the source code is converted into the bytecode. But in Java compilation process, firstly we are having a source code, that is .java file. Then there is a compiler that convert our source code into a bytecode. When bytecode is generated, the Java file is changed into a .class file. Then our bytecode is with the help of JVM. In JVM, we are having the just-in-type compiler also and interpreter also that convert our bytecode into the object code that will run on all the platforms. Means in any language we can write the program and it will work on our mobiles also. Whatever the window we are having, it will run on all the computers. So in the Java compilation process, we use compiler also and interpreter also, so that it will work on different platforms. Now, the next topic we are going to discuss is features of Java. As Java is an object-oriented programming language, so this language is having the number of features. The first feature we are having is simple. As we know that Java is a simple language and easy to learn, so that we easily create our programs. So it is simple and easy to learn programming language. The next term we are having is robust. Robust means strong. It means that Java is a robust language because it uses the strong memory management. This term we can also discuss like the Java is both compiled and interpreted language. So at the runtime, when we will compile our program and run our program, our program will become the error free when it is compiled and interpreted. So that with the help of this feature, it will work on the different platforms. Next we are having a secure. This means that Java is a secure language. Why? As it allows the applets to confine to the Java runtime environment only. Means whatever the applications we are using or the ads are coming on our screen, They cannot access the other parts of computer. Means in the computer we are having some confidential data, that are bank account numbers or other data. It will not harm to that part of the computer. It will only limited to the Java runtime environment. That's why Java is a secure language. Means if we have installed Java in our computer or our programs are running over there, it will do not allow the applets to access the other part of computer. Next feature we are having is object oriented. This feature we already know that our Java is a true object oriented programming language. This means that our Java language, it treats everything as an object. Means the objects are the real world entities. Means we will create our program on the real world entities like car, ATM machines. These all are real world entities, and on the basis of this we need some programs to access, to work on the different platforms. Object-oriented programming is a methodology that simplifies the software development. Means we easily develop our software and maintenance by providing some rules. Means some syntax we have to follow to make our programs. Next is platform independent. Platform, again, different computers, any type of machines with any configurations like GB or MB or the different type of processor. Independent means not dependent on a machine. The concept of write once, run anywhere. It means that once we will write and after that we can run anywhere is one of the most important features of Java, which make it a powerful language. Means whenever we will write program on one computer or any computer, it will work on different platforms irrespective of their configurations or their limitations. Means limitations we can increase, but configurations can be any windows. Next is multi-threaded. Multi means number of and threaded means number of threads. Java is a multi-threaded programming language which works. Java is a multi-threaded programming language. Multi-threaded works in a similar way as multiple processes run on one computer. If we will take the example of a game, like we will run any game on our mobiles, that game is having the number of threads. Means number of players you can select at the same time. You can see the score also. Number of points are coming. Number of things we are using at that time. That all different processes like players, scores, we can see that all are the threads of a one program. This means that Java is a multi-threaded language. Means in one software we are having the multiple threads. So what we have discussed today, the Java compilation process, then bytecode, Java just-in-time compiler, the compilation process, how source code is converted into bytecode, then bytecode is converted into the object code that run on different platforms. The features of Java: simple, robust, secure, object-oriented, platform independent, multi-threaded. So hope students, today you will revise the terms from page number 24, 25 and 26. Now we will discuss some terms of today, that is bytecode, an intermediate code for the Java virtual machine. JIT, just-in-time compiler, compiles the selected portion of the bytecode into executable code. Then JDK, Java Development Kit, a software for developing the Java applications. And some full forms we are going to discuss in this page number: JRE, Java Runtime Environment; JDK, Java Development Kit; JIT, Just-in-Time Compiler; and the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So the rest of the chapter with next pages we will proceed by tomorrow. Thank you very much.